it's a feeling, it's a blessing. Look, it's the greatest month of the year.
And why would you turn this guy off?
Exactly, it's the year that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chose. Now, I know sometimes the action can come across as hypocritical, that, you know, look at this brother, look at this sister, all year round, they're doing, you know, this, that and the other, and now all of a sudden the first day of Ramadan,
he's pumped.
yeah, but the Prophet does say, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you know, he says, don't assist shaitan against your brother or your sister. Yani, even if this person is acting like all of a sudden that they're religious, right? Don't be a means to turn them off. Because the
What
month
if
of
Allah Azza wa
Ramadan
Jal-
is special.
No, what if
It
Allah-
is special,
yeah.
and people do want to change, and people do get soft. People, you know, look, I've seen it, man, and I'm sure
And
you've
look,
seen it.
if you do it
The first
repetitively,
week-
30 days, it becomes a habit. So we ask Allah, this person,
Yeah.
they know, you know, is a Ramadan Muslim. He starts worshipping Allah in that month for 30 days. It becomes a habit. Then after Ramadan's finished, he goes, you know what? I can do this, man.
Yeah, well,
but
I
by
mean-
you going, hey, man, you're a Ramadan Muslim, or running a market on him, or, you know, picking on him, sometimes these guys, they feel it, man. You can see it. Like when they come to the masjid, the boys are there. Sure, Ramadan Muslim, you're growing your beard, you got your sunnah hat on now. And the guy's there going, like, he's accepting it, but he can tell that he's really frustrated, man.
Yeah, and also, like, I know for myself, it also reveals that there is a tinge of arrogance. For me, there was a tinge in, you know, that there was a tinge of arrogance within myself. That when you're calling someone else a Ramadan Muslim, what are you saying about yourself? What are you boasting about yourself? That you're so great that